Welcome back to Lumicore Labs. Day 7. Up until now, our programs have been running from top to bottom, every single line, every single time. No choices, no decisions. Today, that changes completely. We're going to learn conditional statements, the magical if, elif, and else, keywords that let your program make decisions. Think of it like this. If it's raining, take an umbrella. Otherwise, wear sunglasses. Your code is about to get a brain. Let's give it one. Let's start with the simplest form of decision-making, the if statement. I'm creating a variable called weather and setting it to rainy. Then I write, if weather equals rainy, notice the colon at the end, that's required. The double equals sign checks if two things are equal. Weather equals rainy asks, is weather equal to rainy? If yes, we get true and the indented code runs. If no, we get false and Python skips right over it. Below it, two lines that are indented, pushed inward with spaces. These indented lines belong to the if. They only run if the condition is true. If I change the weather to sunny, the condition weather equals rainy becomes false. Watch what happens. The two indented lines are completely skipped. But the last line, have a nice day, still runs because it's not indented under the if. It's outside the condition. But what if I want to do something when the condition is not true? That's where else comes in. It's the otherwise path. If the weather is rainy, take an umbrella. Else, meaning for anything other than rainy, wear sunglasses. One path or the other, never both. Notice that else doesn't have a condition of its own. It doesn't need one. It just catches everything that the if didn't catch. It's the default path. Since the weather is sunny, the if condition is false, so Python jumps to the else block and prints, wear sunglasses. The indentation rules are the same. Else has a colon, and its code block is indented underneath it. Life isn't just rain or shine. Sometimes it snows. Sometimes it's cloudy. That's where elif, short for else if, comes in. You can chain multiple conditions together. Python checks them from top to bottom. The first one that's true wins. Everything else is ignored. Each elif has its own condition, just like an if. And the else at the end is a safety net. If none of the conditions above are true, the else block runs. I'll set weather to snowy. Watch Python check each condition. Is it rainy? No. Is it sunny? No. Is it snowy? Yes. So it prints, wear a coat and gloves, and skips everything else, including the else. Let's build something real. An age gate for a website. The user enters their age. If they're 18 or older, full access. If they're at least 13, they need parental permission. Otherwise, access denied. Notice how I'm using int, input, to get a number from the user. That's our old friend from day 4. The order here is crucial. I check age greater than or equal to 18 first. If someone is 20, they get full access right away. The other conditions aren't even checked. If that's false, then I check age greater than or equal to 13. Someone who's 15 would land here. And if both are false, meaning they're 12 or younger, they get the else message. Enter 20, access granted. Enter 15, parental permission required. Enter 10, access denied. 3 different paths from 3 simple conditions. This is exactly how real websites work. Let's bring it all together with a practical mini project. A movie theater charges different prices based on age. Children under 5 are free. Kids under 13 pay $5. Students under 18 pay 8. Adults under 60 pay 12. And seniors 60 and above get a discount at $7. Each age range is one elif condition. Notice again the order. I'm checking the smallest ages first and working my way up. If I checked age less than 60 first, a 5-year-old would be marked as an adult. Checking conditions from most specific to most general is the golden rule of elif. Age 4. Free entry. Age 10. Child ticket at $5. Age 16. Student ticket at $8. Age 30. Adult ticket at $12. Age 65. Senior discount at $7. One program, 5 different outcomes. All from a few simple if, elif, else statements. Day 7 is a wrap. You've given your programs a brain. They can now make decisions, choose paths, and react differently depending on the situation. This is the moment Python stops being a calculator and starts being an application. In the next video, it's practice day, you'll solve 3 challenges using only conditionals. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Lumicore Labs. And tell me in the comments, what age would you set for a senior discount at your own movie theater? See you on day 8.